Good afternoon, children. This is class 10th, chapter 1 Development. This chapter we have taken from economics. Okay, so in this chapter, development, we will study about progress and growth. So, progress or growth always been with us. We know that. Okay, so development we can think in mental level, mental development, physical development, and economic development. Okay, so we have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. Okay, and what are the essential things? What are the essential things that we require? Okay, so that life can be better for all. Children, how should people live together? Okay, can there be more equality? So development involves thinking of the people, thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving our goals in our lives, what we expect in our life, and we want to fulfill them. This is a complex task, we know that. And in this chapter, we shall make a beginning at understanding development. Okay, so you learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. When you will go in higher classes, you will study in depth. Okay, so uh, also you will find answers to many of these questions, not just in economics but in other subject also, like history, political science. Okay, so this is because the way we live today is influenced by the past. We know that we are influenced by our past. So we cannot desire for change without being aware of this. Same way, it is only through a dramatic. Okay, so that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in a real life. Okay, so children, now we will see that what development promises. Okay, now we are starting our first topic, what development promises. Okay, now we have got understand about development. Okay, so now we are starting first point, what development promises. Okay, so in this topic we will see that different people have different desire, different people have different goals. You have seen uh, each and every one have different goals in their life, and they want to fulfill them, right? Somebody is doing medical study, somebody is doing engineering, so what they want to do in their life. Okay, so in this topic we will study that different person can have different developmental goal, and what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. So let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons. Okay, now here I will give you some examples of the people. Suppose landless rural laborers. What is his desire? His desire is more days of work and better wages he got, and local school is able to provide quality education for their children, because this is not their ability, they will send their kids in higher standard school. So there is no social discrimination, and they too can become leaders in the village. So this is their desire. It means whose desire? Landless rural laborers. Okay, other example like prosperous farmers from Punjab, Haryana. Okay, what is their desire? This is their desire that assured a high family income through high support prices for their crops, and through hand working and cheap labors. They should be able to settle for their children in abroad. Okay, one more example I will give you. A boy from a rich urban families. Okay, his desire? What can be his desire? He want to get more and more gadgets, and motorcycle, and mobile phone, and whatever. Okay, so a girl from rich urban families, what may be his her desire? She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in her life, and she is able to pursue her studies in abroad. So these kind of desire each and everyone have in different way. Okay, now we will continue in our next topic.